Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put coolant in your Volkswagen Jetta. First, always ensure your engine is completely cool. Never open a hot cooling system. Locate the translucent plastic coolant reservoir, usually found on the passenger side of the engine bay. Check the fluid level against the minimum and maximum indicator lines on the side of the tank. This initial check is crucial for safety and proper maintenance. Selecting the correct coolant is vital for your Jetta's longevity. Your owner's manual will specify the exact type, but generally, Volkswagen models use G13 or G12++ coolant. These are typically purple or pink in color. Never mix different coolant types, and avoid using plain water, as this can lead to corrosion and freezing. Always use the manufacturer-recommended fluid for optimal performance. Once you have the correct coolant and your engine is cool, carefully twist and remove the reservoir cap. Slowly pour the coolant into the reservoir opening. It's important to fill the fluid to the maximum line indicated on the tank, but be careful not to overfill. Overfilling can cause pressure issues within the cooling system. Take your time to avoid spills and ensure accuracy. After adding the coolant, securely replace the reservoir cap, ensuring it's tightened properly. It's a good practice to monitor your coolant level regularly, perhaps every 2 to 4 weeks, especially before long trips. If you notice the level dropping significantly or frequently, it could indicate a leak or another issue. In such cases, it's best to consult a qualified mechanic for a thorough inspection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.